Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you not how to save things, but to how to save them in different basically folders in Instagram. So I've already showed you in the previous video how to save things just by clicking this little white icon here. When you click it, it tells you save to my collection right here. But what if you want to split things like me, for example, I want to split some things in bodybuilding, some things in nature, some things for music, and some things just for funny. Well, go to your profile and click the three little lines here. Then click on saved. And here you have all posts. But click on the little plus light here. And you can add from here and click next. And change the collection's name to something else, for example. And click add, and now you see you have a new collection that you can add from. So you can do the following now: save to collection, and here you can click save to, and you can click save to bodybuilding, for example. But that wasn't for bodybuilding, so I'll have to edit that. But I just want to give one, for example, this one next, nature. And now I have nature bodybuilding, and I'm gonna save this. Click save to collection, and now I'm gonna click nature, and that's it. That's how you do it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and have a nice day. See ya.